In the last episode of Teams in 2, we showed you how to use some of the amazing content creation capabilities in Teams. Now we're going to show you some of the amazing content collaboration and co-authoring capabilities across devices right here in Teams. Take a look. So, at this point, let's say that I've got this document shaping up. It looks exactly the way that I'd like. And so now I want to go pull Diego into this document. And so keep in mind, as I mentioned before, he's already got this document shared with him. So all I have to do is just start a conversation and let him know that I'm ready for him to come contribute. So I'm going to click the start conversation here in Teams. And I'm going to go in and @mention Diego and say, hey, @Diego, can you jump in and provide your input? And so when I come down here and I hit the send button, now we want to take a look at Diego's experience. Now, one little surprise is Diego happens to be on his mobile device. And so here's his Android phone. You'll see that he gets a notification saying, hey, Irvin's mentioned you in the employee handbook channel of HR. So he's just going to click on that. And here's where things get super helpful, very intuitive. You'll see that we put the file, the new employee handbook document that Irvin created from scratch in Teams right here, so that all Diego has to do is go and click on that. And so when he clicks on that, it's going to open it up in the Word on his mobile Android device in this scenario. And then he's going to put it in this mobile view. And you'll see the little red flag up by the word new next to new employee handbook, that title that I created. That's indicative of us being now in this real-time co-authoring session. So watch what happens when I anchor the mobile experience to the left and I start typing on my mobile. Watch Irvin just sit back and enjoy all of those real-time characters flying across the screen while he's in Teams on his PC or his MacBook or in the browser, whatever the case may be. And so Diego will go in and he'll highlight the word mobile, and you'll see all of that translating right into the real-time co-authoring experience here. And then if Irvin comes down and he starts typing, you'll be happy to see that Diego doesn't miss out on his mobile from seeing all those characters from Irvin flying across the screen. So this is that amazing real-time co-authoring. We remove all that disruption from collaborating and sharing and all the things that we used to have to spend a lot of time trying to figure out in the old days. Now when Diego's done with his edits, it goes in and it says, hey, Irvin, Diego's no longer in the document. So upon completion, what you'll see is Irvin will come down here and thank Diego and say, hey, thank you so much for coming in, and you're the best.